Good morning. Today's Monday and I got dressed again. Yay! Minus the bed socks, but I got dressed. I haven't done my makeup yet. I may put on a bit of makeup today. But yeah, I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to come over and we are going to hang out today. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. Yeah, and it's a lovely day outside. Absolutely lovely. And yeah, so we're just going to be in here because my niece and nephew are doing schoolwork at the moment. Because they actually go back to school on Thursday, which is really cool. So yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go. I might put on a bit of maybe a bit of makeup. I don't know. Definitely need to put on my moisturizer, so I'll definitely do that. Which for moisturizer, I can. Where is it? I've been using. Let me just show you guys. I've been using the Nivea Daily Essential Cream. I don't know if you guys can see it. This stuff is really good. So, yeah. It's really good. It's very moisturizing and I really like it. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go and I will talk to you guys throughout the day. This is our new air fryer, guys. We got this at Aldi and I just used it for the first time cooking some dim sims. I'll show you guys what they look like after. Like, that's how big it is. This is what they look like. Can't wait to try. Hey guys, so it's like I think like 4 in the afternoon, and I just got myself some snacks. So in here I have some tostadas, a splash of lime, and some, can't remember what they're called, little wafer chip thingies. Some Dorito nacho cheese. Dip, which is amazing, and these from Doritos. They're the grilled cheeseburger. And I tried these yesterday because my boyfriend got a pack of these and they're not bad. So I just want to show you guys something really cool. So about a couple months ago I went to, where did I go? I think it was Dubbo with my boyfriend. And I picked up 2 copies of Harry Potter. So I got Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, so Year 2, and Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So I haven't looked in these, and I was looking in this one because my sister and her kids are watching the Chamber of Secrets at the moment. And so I'll show you guys something. Like, they're just really cool inside. Hold on. How do I open? Okay. Oh, look! Oh my goodness, look how cool this is. Aww. And there's Harry. And there's, okay, so the first thing you have in here is a code where you can download a digital copy of the movie. Okay, so in here, what's in here? So in this one, there is 2 cards. One is Harry Potter. There's Harry. The next one is McGonagall. Cool. And what else? Oh, this one has one of these in here too. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's basically McGonagall turning from a cat to a human. That is so cool. So that had the same thing in the Chamber of Secrets too. This is what this one looks like. And you got all the bits in here too. So it's basically the same thing in here. So in this one, you've got the movies. So you've got the theatrical version or the extended version. Ooh, I'm gonna watch the extended version later. I think I might do that. And you got special features, include like additional scenes and all other special features and stuff like that. More cool stuff. I haven't even looked through this. And look at this. No wonder this was such a great price. I mean, look at this. That is so cool. You get 2 copies of the film plus special features. That's really cool. As you can tell, I am such a Harry Potter fan. Have been since I was little. Like, since the books basically came out. I've been a Potter fan. Oh, look! Creating the world of Harry Potter. There's another one of these in there, in this one too. It's creating the world of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. I just wanted to show you guys. Like, I was flipping through it. Like, look at this! Oh, good lord! Umbridge! Ugh! Oh, I don't know about you guys, but I did not like Umbridge. No way. I did not like Umbridge. She was awful in the books. She was not nice in the movies. The actress that played Umbridge did a fantastic job of portraying Umbridge. But I still don't like Umbridge. Ugh. That woman gave me the creeps. Ugh. Oh, look at this. What's that say? Mr. H. Potter, the cupboard, under the stairs, number 4, Privet Drive, Little Windshine, Surrey. Oh, how cool is this? Oh my goodness, look at all this. Oh, cool, platform 9 3/4. Oh, nice. Oh my, look at all this. This is so cool. Like the detailing, oh my god, look at that. I have not even opened these. Like, kid you not. Oh, Dumbledore. Oh my goodness. It's like pictures from the movie. Oh, what the? Oh, that's Slytherin common room. That's Gryffindor. Oh, there's Harry and Hedwig. Oh. Oh, where they were planting mandrakes in herbology. Oh, wow. Ugh. It's all kinds of pink. Still don't like Umbridge. Dumbledore's office. Oh, the basilisk. Man, look, this is the design for the Chamber of Secrets. Cool. Oh, look, like behind the scenes stuff. Oh, this is cool. Aww. Oh, there's a crane there too. Cool. Oh, Hagrid's hut. Oh, the beater, the bats, all the different balls to play Quidditch. Oh, I can't remember what shop this was. Ooh, I think that's Honeydukes. Yeah, this is Honeydukes. Yeah, yeah, that has to be Honeydukes, this place. It's like, oh, from the Triwizard Tournament. Oh my god, that's probably my favorite, the Goblet of Fire. It's a good one. Oh, the Yule Ball. Oh, look at Ron and Harry. It's like, feeling a little bit sorry for themselves. Oh, wow. This is cool. I wonder what's in the other one. Oh, that is cool. Oh, that's really cool. Wonder if that's in the same in this one. Like I said, I have not even opened these or even seen what's in them. Okay, look through that. Creating the characters of Harry Potter. So this one is creating the world of Harry Potter. Okay, I was wrong before. Okay, so this is creating the characters. This is the characters. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look, Harry! This is cool. I'm just gonna use my needle. Oh, look at Ron and his headgear. Oh, poor Ron. This is cool. Ah, the Weasleys. The joke shop that the Weasleys opened. Oh, this is cool. Oh! Oh, this is cool. Mad-Eye Moody. Forgot his name. I know. I forgot. Sirius Black. A very young Robert Pattinson. Yep. Who did the bubble charm. So for lunch today, I made French fries in our air fryer, and oh my god, you guys, they taste so good. Like, really, really good. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, how are you? Excuse me, today is Wednesday, and I am just about to have my lunch, as I showed you guys. And I'm also watching the Coney Jolies, as usual. And then I might pop a movie on later, maybe. I don't know. We'll see what I get. I'll see how the day goes. Anyway, I'm gonna go and I will talk to you guys later. Hi guys. How are you guys today? Today is Thursday and I am at Big W. I just arrived because I need to return, well actually exchange a pair of leggings that I ordered for myself and for my mom, because I accidentally got the wrong length. I got the cropped leg leggings instead of the long leg leggings or whatever. So I need to do that, and I also need to pick up my mom some track pants because she's asked for some. So I've got my bag ready to go. So yeah, and it's a nice day today. It's not too cold, which is good. So yeah, so let's go in and yeah. Alright, Hi guys. Today is Saturday and it's currently 1:30 and I've just finished hanging up my towels on the line because I'm doing washing today. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't vlog yesterday. I spent the day with my boyfriend and we spent the afternoon cooking. We made lasagna, beef and veggie lasagna, which we've still got some left. So yeah, that's really cool. It was nice, I will say. It was nice. You know, for my first attempt at making lasagna from, you know, scratch, or from homemade, basically. But yeah, so it was really good. Yeah, so I'm just chilling, playing some PlayStation. I'm playing Crash Bandicoot at the moment, and if you can hear that noise, that is my mum making some biscuits at the moment. So yeah, anyway, yeah, this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to play some PlayStation. I might put on some Disney Plus if it's working, fingers crossed, and maybe watch a movie. And yeah, just chill today. Not really doing anything this Saturday. Not really doing. I cannot talk today. I'm not really doing anything today other than doing my washing. That's pretty much what I'm doing today. Anyway, I will talk to you guys throughout the day. Bye guys. Oh, and if you're wondering what top I'm wearing this Alice in Wonderland top. I got it from Cotton On Body, and it is so cute and so comfortable. Oh my god, so comfortable. And I love it because Alice in Wonderland is one of my favorite Disney movies. It's really cool. Anyway, I'll tell. So this is my little lunch. It's a platter board. So I have olives, crackers, chips, cheeses, fruit. Oh,